Firstly, I zoom to normal size, that is to say at 100%. Filters, enhance, unsharp mask. The three dots at the end indicate a dialog. The dialog is resizable. This navigator button helps me pan for the critical areas, which in this case must be the skin tones, the face and the hands. To check the results on the fly, I want this preview to be aside, so I check preview in the dialog and have it aside to compare with the image. This way I can see what my actions are doing on this lovely face. So this command inherently creates some color distortion due to the fact that the sharpening acts at the same time on all components of the image on one go, that is to say on all three channels at once. By playing with these sliders, the intention is to compromise between the sharpening itself and that inevitable color distortion. If I do it too much, the first thing that I might kill is the delicate skin areas. It is suggested that you never exceed the default values that appear when the dialog initializes. Just stay away from them. In the GIMP's help, in the unsharp mask filter topic, there is a special method described, and I am going now to show this method, and at the same time we are diving little by little in the GIMP. I executed the sharpening on this image with the default settings, but I undo, image duplicate or Ctrl D on the keyboard creates an image which is identical, exactly the same, and my intention is to make an exact copy to show the result as a comparison between the two images. So on image A, I redo the sharpening and keep the image aside. And on image B, I am going to apply the method described in the GIMP's help. So on image B, colors, components, decompose. This command analyzes the image channels, breaking the image actually into its color components. Now I select RGB here and decompose to layers and hit OK. GIMP created a new image with 3 layers named red, green and blue. These are the 3 channels that originate from the image, that is to say the red channel, the green channel and the blue one, separated as layers in the new image. Every one of the 3 is an 8-bit monochromatic layer, and this is the reason, of course, that we do not see color on them. By enabling or disabling these layers in the Layers dialog, I can see every one of them as a grayscale image. So now, having explained what decomposing is, I discard this image now to do it in a different way. I give the decompose command again, but I do not want it to be in the RGB, but in the HSV color model. HSV is just another logic in composing color. H stands for hue, expressing the quality of the color as the position in the color circle, S stands for saturation, expressing the strength of the color as an intensity factor, and V stands for the luminosity of the selected color. Now, by hitting OK, I get an image with 3 layers named hue, saturation, and value. I can pick on them one by one. I want the value layer. I activate this layer and execute the unsharp mask command only on this one with the same settings. This way the filter acts only on the value, leaving saturation and hue aside. And after the execution of this command, I want to go the other way back with colors, components, compose. Here I have to make sure that the action happens on the HSV color model again, and hitting OK, I have the much expected result. I can compare this image with image A. You should see some subtle difference in critical areas, but you must be seeing the images at 100% at normal size, and yes, you should better be seeing them on a good monitor.